Good morning, guys. Today's class is about dictionaries in Python. Yes, within 2 minutes, I'll start the class. Okay, guys, let's start the class. Okay, let's see what dictionaries are. What is a dictionary? Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which is unlike other data types that holds only single value as an element. It is not like the other data types which holds only single element as its data types as its data values. Dictionary holds key and value as pair. Key is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. Okay, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. In Python, dictionaries can be created by placing sequence of elements within curly braces, separated by comma. Dictionary holds a pair of values, one being the key, and the other corresponding pair element being its key value. Value in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated. whereas keys can't be repeated and must be immutable. Keys, why? Because the keys are immutable. Why the keys are immutable? Immutable. Why? Because when we created uh, different keys with the same values, Python doesn't allow us to create different keys with the same name. If you create a different keys with the same name, it throws an error. Why? Because it couldn't select what key we wants to access. So it doesn't allow to create a key with a same name, different keys with the same name. So let's see examples of dictionary. Here dictionary is unordered and it is changeable. Yesterday I told you, I discussed you about both tuple and a set. Tuple is an ordered one. Coming to set, it is an unordered one. It doesn't change, and it is a constant one. We can't change that set, and set doesn't have any indexing. But here dictionary is an unordered one. It can be a changeable. It has indexing. To access the values, the keys and values of the dictionary, we can use indexing. So what is the difference between a dictionary and a list? In list we have different data types of values, different data types of elements in a list. Here here in dictionary also we can store different data types of elements. But what is the difference is here we have a key and a value. For so here key and value are pairs. We can access a value with a key. We can access a key with a value. So let's see how we can define, how we can create a dictionary in Python. This is the creation of a dictionary in Python. This is how we can create. So this is the name of this is the dictionary name, this dict. So when we are creating a dictionary, we need to, this is the key value. We have to assign a, this is the key element, this is the value element, this is I'm sorry, this is the key, this is the value, this is an entire element. Both of these are pairs. We can access the value using this key, and we can access the key using this value. We can do both the things. We can access the key using the value. We can access the value using the key. So in the same way, when we are creating a key, when we are creating an element, we need to keep those enclosing the key and the value enclosed with double quotes, and we need to keep a colon between them. We need to separate each and every element with a comma. This is the syntax how we can create a dictionary. So let's see, this is the I have written a print statement here. So let's see by executing it. So we got the output. This is a key, this is a value, this is a key, this is a value, this is another key, and this is another value. So this is how we can create a dictionary. So Let's see how can we access a dictionary. So by using a get method, we can access the values and the keys of the dictionary. So if here I wants to print the value of the key model, value of the key model. So this is the dictionary that I have created. I have assigned this dict dot. This is a method. So this I have written this dict dot get of model. This is the key. This is the key value that I wants to print. Key of the value. This is the key of the value that I wants to print. So I gave the key here. So I'm printing the value x here. The value of the key that I have given here will be assigned to the variable x. Then when we write the print statement, it will print the value present in the variable x. So we got the output, got this as the output. You can access in different way also. Let's see how we can access. So I want to print a dictionary called DICT1 that equals to when we are creating a dictionary, we need to you need to notice that we have to keep curly braces. One, that is. So I have created a dictionary with these keys and these values. Mm, this is the way. This is the way. This is the here I have used get method to access the values of the key particular key. Now I don't want to use any type of methods. Without using a method, I want to access the value of the particular key. So here it is the error. There is no such type of keys in the above dictionary. So it has given the error. So this is the way. This is one of the. This is the other way how we can access the values by using the particular key. This is the value and this is the corresponding key of the element. So let's see how we can change values in a dictionary. This is the way to change values to a dictionary. This is same like list. In list we use indexing to change the values. Here I am using the key to change the value. Here the previous value is 1964. Here I want to update the value in the year key, in the element, in the third element. We have an year key. I want to assign the year key with the value 2018. So let's execute it and let's see what will be the output. So it has updated the value 1964 with 2018. So this is the dictionary that we have that I have created. So brand with Ford, model Mustang, year 2018. It has updated the value. This is the way. This is one of the ways to update it, to update or to change the values of the keys, the corresponding keys in the dictionary, corresponding dictionary. So let's see how we can loop a dictionary as same as a list. As same as a list, we can loop a dictionary. When we loop a dictionary like this for x in this dict, this will print the keys of the element. This is the entire element. It will print only the keys. The keys brand, model, year. When we use the name of the dictionary directly. Let's execute it. See here, it has printed the keys of the elements. So in an for a detailed explanation, here I have created this dict equals to brand. This is the key. This is the value of the first element. This is the key of the second element. This is the value of the second element. This is the key of the third element. This is the value of the third element. So I have used a for loop to loop the dictionary. When I am looping it, X is for when we are looping it for every element, it will take the key of the particular element. So it will take the key of the particular element and will store on the variable x. For every iteration, it will store a single key from the particular element and it will print the key here. Why? Because here we have used the print statement. So this is the way of execution of this program. So let's see how we can loop a dictionary to access values. Here I have accessed just the keys of the elements. Now I want to access the values of the elements. Let's see how we can access. So this is the way to access the values of the elements. See here, I have created a dictionary as same as I have written for loop here. For every iteration, it will take a single key here. Nothing changed here. Nothing has changed here. Here exactly it will take the value. It will take the key of the element. Here in the previous example, when I explained you how to access the values of the particular keys, when we have stored a single uh, when we are executing it, it will take a single key. It will store a single key for every iteration in the x variable, and the x variable will be taken here, and this dict of the particular not sorry, not variable, it is not variable, it is the key. The variable has stored, in the variable we have stored a particular key. The key will be taken here, this dict of, in first iteration, this dict of the key brand, then it will gives us output as the value of the particular key. So this is how we can access the values of key in looping. So let's execute it. So see here, this is another example how we can access the values of key, the values of the keys. Wait, I will explain you the before example. So this dict ds dict 1 equals to 1. I'm taking over here, comma 2. I'm taking r as a value. Here I want to use a for loop for x in dict 1. So I want to print 1 of x. So we got the output here. Here I have used the for loop by using the x. For every iteration, the value, the key of the particular element will be stored in the variable x. The key of the particular element, for second iteration, the second element, the key present in the second element will be stored in the x variable x. When we are iterating, the key will be taken here. The dict of the particular key that we have taken here will gives us output as output the value. So that's why we got the 1 r as output. So let's see, another example. This is the other way how we can access values by using a method. In the previous example, in the for loop, we have used directly this the dictionary name. Here, by using the the dictionary name, it accesses the keys of the particular element. For every iteration, it has taken a single key of a particular element. Here I want to access directly the values of the element. So to access the values of elements, we have to use a method called values of district dot values of it. So it will, when we use the values method, it will directly access and iterate the values of the particular elements. So I want to print the values here. So let's execute it and see. So here we got the values of the keys, values of the elements. So we got these values here. Got these values: Ford Mustang 1964. So let's see how we can here in the previous examples we have accessed the values using key. Here I want to print either one of them. In the previous examples, we have printed either one of the key or either one of them, a key or a value. We have printed just a key or value. Now I want to print both the keys and the values, both the keys and the corresponding values of the keys. So when we want to print key and a value, we have to take two variables here. For every iteration, x will take a key of the element, and y will take the value of the element. Y will take the value of the element. And this, by using the items method, it will access both keys and values at a time. It will store the key in the x variable and value in the y variable. So by using a comma, I am printing x comma y. Here comma will create us a space between them. When we are printing when we are printing on the screen, it will create a space here. I want to print the. So we got both the keys and the values of the corresponding keys. This is the way how we can access both the keys and the values of the dictionary. So let's see uh, how we can check for a particular key is present in the dictionary or not. So as same as the list tuples and said, we will use the in operator and if conditional statement to check a particular key here. Here I have created the same dictionary as before. If modal, if the modal is the key, if modal in dictionary, if the modal, the particular key is present in the dictionary, it will return as true. If true, if it is true, then the print statement will be executed here. If the modal key is not present in the dictionary, it will return the modal in dictionary. Modal here, the modal in dictionary will return false. When it return false, then it automatically doesn't execute the print statement present in the conditional statement if. So let's execute it and see what will be the output. So we got the output. Yes, modal is one of the key in the dictionary. So you have to remember, you have to see this. The statement that we have given in the print statement, is printed blindly, has printed blindly. So let's see only. Is there any key called M in the dictionary? I am saving it and executing it. So it doesn't give any type of output because we haven't write any type of else statements here. If you write a else statement here, let's see, else print no. I want to print no. I'm saving it and I'm executing it. So it gave no. Why? Because there is no type of key, there is no key named with M in the dictionary, this dict. So let's see how we can add items to a dictionary. This is the way how we can add items to a dictionary. Here we have three items, three elements, three items, brand, model, year. I want to add another item called color. This is the statement how we can add items to a dictionary directly. When we are accessing, when we want to access a value, when we want to print a value, in the four examples we have accessed a particular key. So the key value will be given in the square braces here, that equals to, this will be the value of the corresponding key. When we write the statement like this, it will, the color, the particular, this is the key, the particular key and the value element will be added to the this will be added to the particular dictionary. We have to place the name of the dictionary where we want to add the element. So let's execute it. So the color and red, key and the value has added. So this is the way, as same as when we are accessing a particular value, when we want to access, when we want to print a particular value, we have used a particular key. So by giving the particular key name, a particular new key name, and the value assigning to it, so it will automatically create a new dictionary, sorry, a new element in the dictionary, in the dictionary that we have given here. So how we can remove, how we can remove an element from a dictionary. So by using a pop element, we can remove an element from the dictionary. This is a method. This is the name of the dictionary. Dot pop. Pop will element and the value, entire element. The key entire element, that is the key and the value, will be deleted from the, will be removed from the dictionary. So let's execute it. So it has removed. I have printed the dictionary after I have deleted, after I have removed the key model, key and the value, model, and Mustang. So it has printed brand and the year. So by using another method, so pop item, let's see here, control C. I have created the same dictionary here. I want, there is a method called pop item, dot pop item. So before that, I wants to add element one equals to one. So by to remove to delete a element, there is another method called pop item. This dict item. This will remove the last inserted item from the dictionary. So it has removed the last here. The last inserted element is 1. So the last inserted element has removed. If I have printed this dict, the dictionary doesn't have any key or value with 1. So this is the method called pop item. So how we can delete? How we can delete a particular key by using a pop method? We have deleted a particular key and the value by using the particular key. So I want to there is a keyword called delete del. So by using this we can also delete a particular key and the corresponding value. This is a keyword, that is a method. Pop is a method. Pop and pop item are methods. This is a keyword. I want to delete a model. So it has deleted. If we print this thing, the model key and the value has removed from the dictionary. If we want to delete the entire dictionary, we can also delete that by using the delete keyword. So if we want to print the district here, we will get an error. So why? Because the delete dictionary has deleted, so it doesn't have any type of we don't have any type of dictionary called district. So district is not defined. It has given the error called district as not defined. So let's create the dictionary again. By using a clear keyword in a clear method, in the previous in lists and tuples also we have used the clear method. In the same way, let's see what a clear method will do. Clear off. So I want to print, it will clear, it will empties the entire dictionary that we have created. So it has given an empty, it has given an empty. It has given an empty dictionary. The entire dictionary keys and values has removed from the dictionary this dict. So let's see how we can do another dictionary. This is the way how we can copy a dictionary into another dictionary. I have created the same dictionary here. So this dict of my dict equals to, this is a new dictionary equal to operator dot operator. This dict is the dictionary that we have created. Dot copy of, by using the copy of method, we can create the dictionary. We can access the entire dictionary to mydict. Mydict, new dictionary called mydict. This is the way how we can copy. If when we are creating when we are copying list, this is also by using the copy same copy method, we can create new dictionary, new list. When we want to copy lists, and so we can use the copy method. There is another similarity in lists. When we want to copy, we don't have to use equals to operate. List 1 equals to list 2. In the same way, we don't have to show you. I'll show you with the example. List 1 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is wants to copy the list 2, list 1 into list 2. So you, I wants to remove an element from the list 1. Have just removed the element from list 1. So let's print list 2. What are the elements present in? Let's print list 1. What are the elements? To know the what are the elements present in the list 1. So we have deleted the number 4 from the, by using pop method, number 4 from the list 1. So we got this output. Let's print list 2. List 2. We haven't deleted any number from the list 2. We have just used the pop operation for on list 1. But the element in the list 2 also has deleted. List 2 also has deleted. Why? Because when we use this, it will create, it has the same memory location. It the 1 2 3 4 the elements, the list has only one memory location. By using this, by doing like this, with the same memory location, there will be two names. So when we do any operations on list 1 or list 2, that reflect both on list 1 and list 2. When we do operations on either of them, it will reflect both on both the lists. So why? Because we have named a single memory location with different names. So it is reflecting the change on both the things, both the lists, list 1 and list. If we do this for this dict, if we do this for dictionary, the same thing will be repeated for dictionary also. So without doing that, we have a copy method to copy dictionary into another dictionary. Okay, let's see. There is another way to copy a dictionary into another dictionary by using dict constructor. Dictionary. This is a dict constructor with round braces. Have created the dictionary. I wants to create a new dictionary with the new name, with the same values present, the same elements present in the dictionary, this dict. So I have used the dictionary function here. This is the dictionary function. So let's execute it and see what will be the output. So I have printed mydict, the entire dictionary that I have stored in the dict has access has stored again in by using the dict function into mydict. I have printed mydict. So we got the same dictionary that we have stored in this dictionary. So this is another way how we can copy dictionary. How we can do nested. As I said to you, we can do nested lists also. As a nested if statement in conditional statement, as a nested if statement, as a nested list, we can do nested dictionaries also. A dictionary inside a dictionary is called a nested dictionary. If you see here, this is the key of the entire value. This is the value of the particular key. This is the value inside the, this is the key of the inside another key, and this is the value of the particular key of corresponding key. So this is a dictionary. This is a dictionary inside the another dictionary. This is a second dictionary inside entire dictionary. This is a dictionary, entire dictionary. So I want to print it. Let's see what will be the output. So we got the output. This is a key. This is the entire value of the particular key. This is a key. This is the value of the corresponding key. So this is the entire element. This is the entire element. There is another way how we can create a nested list. We can create a individually dictionaries individually. Child 1, child 2 is another dictionary. Child 3 is another dictionary. We can assign those individual dictionaries to this dictionary. So child 1 is a key, child 2 is a value. The child 1 is a key, child 1, this child 1 is a value. This child 1 is a dictionary, the outer dictionary that here we have given as a value. You can create like this also, a nested dictionary. You can create a nested dictionary like this also. So let's execute it. Let's write a print statement here. Print of my family. So we got the output as same before. So let's see how we can create a dictionary with a dictionary function, a dict function. What you have to notice here is I haven't enclosed the key. This is the key, this is the value, this is the value. I haven't enclosed the key with any type of I haven't enclosed the key with double quotes here, but I have enclosed the value with double quotes. The second thing you have to notice is I haven't used any type of column here. I have used equal to operator. When we are creating a dictionary by using a dict function, you have to remember this. You have to use an equal to operator, and you don't need to enclose the key with double quotes. So this is the way how we can create. I have written the statement called print statement here. So we got the dictionary as output. So this is the dictionary. This is how we can do operations on dictionary. This is how we can access the values and the keys of the dictionary by using different methods. We have discussed about how we can access the values in a loop by using values method. values in a loop by using values method, and items method, how we can access both the keys and values by using item method. We have discussed about how we can access a particular value with a particular key. And we have discussed about how we can know a particular key is present in the dictionary or not. We have discussed about pop method, pop item method, how we can delete a particular key by using del keyword. And I have discussed about clear method, how we can copy dictionaries, and by how we can copy by using how we can copy a dictionary into another dictionary by using dict function, and nested dictionaries. This is all we have discussed today. Tomorrow I will talk about functions in Python. So this is for today's class, guys. Okay, I'll talk about functions on tomorrow.